Are people in the spirit world aware of our passing? Yes. Whenever someone passes through the earth, no matter who, people in the spirit world know that the person is coming. Those on the other side know who, when and where, because it is the responsibility of those in the spirit world to welcome the newcomer. In most cases, relatives are informed so that they can welcome the person who is passing through. Since the main motive of those in the higher realms of the spirit world is love, there is a great desire to help the newcomer leave the physical world in the best way possible. The problem in each case is that if the person who dies physically is not a believer, or has no awareness of this, of existing now only in spirit, he or she may reject the recognition of this reality and continue to live together with people on earth, trying to do the same things he or she did while alive, and it can also take many, many years where, refusing to go through the tunnel, which would lead her to live in the spiritual world, she continues to think that only the earthly world exists and does not understand why she can no longer, however, physically interact with people in the earthly world, as before.